This video shows you how to turn on the flashlight on a Samsung phone in 2026 using the quickest and easiest method, step by step. If you ever need instant light in the dark, your Samsung device already has a built-in flashlight feature that you can access within seconds, no extra apps required. Unblock your phone and go to the home screen. From the top of the display, swipe down once to open your notifications panel. Then swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings menu. On some newer Samsung models, you can also swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to directly open the full control center faster. Now look for the flashlight or torch icon. It usually looks like a small torch symbol. Simply tap it once to turn the flashlight on. You'll notice your phone's rear camera LED immediately lights up, giving you bright illumination in dark environments like at night, during power cuts, or while searching for something under low light. If you want more control, press and hold the flashlight icon. This will open a brightness slider on supported Samsung devices, allowing you to adjust the intensity from level 1 to level 5 depending on your needs. To turn it off, just tap the flashlight icon again. And that's it, your Samsung flashlight is now ready whenever you need it.